Taal is a gem in the Philippines located 100 kilometers south of Manila. Its centerpiece, Taal Volcano, hold a very unique characteristic. Inside the crater lies a small island, which is actually the peak of the volcano's cinder cone. This creates a unique phenomenon, an island within a lake, on an island within a lake, on an island. The gateway to this volcano is the highlands of Tagaytay. Here, one can witness its beauty from afar while enjoying activities of Ridge Park, an amusement park and resort situated on top of a plateau. Most of the Airbnbs and hotels are located in Tagaytay. Airbnbs are priced around $20 to $70 a night for an entire property, while hotels range from $15 to $200 for a room. Resorts can be found in the highlands, but there are many along the coastline of the lake. They range from $25 to $400 a night. We launched from Island Dreamer Resort, which was a decent spot. During our visit, it was still under construction, so there wasn't much to do besides eating and taking a boat tour. However, the view was great since it sits right by the lake. Overall, the resort was decent at best. There were quite a few additional fees, bringing the total to around $177 for 6 people, about $30 per person. This covered meals, the boat tour, entrance fee, access to the second floor terrace, and more. Since this was a spontaneous day trip with family after arriving in Cavite, I didn't research the area beforehand. Otherwise, I would have picked a better spot, one that matched more of the price tag. That said, we had a great time, and the boat tour was definitely the highlight. After our meal, we boarded a boat and set off around the lake. We encountered some rough waters at the beginning and end of the trip, which left us completely drenched. If you want to stay dry, I'd recommend sitting further back in the boat. Be sure to bring a change of clothes, sunglasses, a hat, sunscreen, and long sleeves for protection from the sun. The boat ride lasts between 2 to 5 hours, with stops along the way. If volcanic activity allows, you can visit Volcano Island, hike up to the crater, or go horseback riding to enjoy a breathtaking panoramic view of the volcano's heart. Horseback riding to the summit was at the top of my to-do list, so it was disappointing that the island was off limits due to volcanic activity. But if you're planning on visiting this place, that is my number 2 recommendation, right behind this boat tour. Taal Volcano has a long and storied history of eruptions. Its activity dates back to prehistoric times, with major eruptions recorded in 1754, 1911, 1965, and 2020. Despite being one of the world's smallest active volcanoes, standing at just 311 meters in elevation, its size is deceiving. Taal is among the most active and potentially dangerous volcanoes on Earth. With 38 recorded eruptions between 1572 and 2024, it has been responsible for an estimated 5,000 to 6,000 fatalities. Due to its active nature, Taal Volcano is closely monitored by the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology. Advanced monitoring techniques and early warning systems help safeguard residents and visitors. While its activity remains unpredictable, the vigilance of scientists and authorities plays a crucial role in mitigating risks. The communities around the volcano have adapted to living in the shadow of this active giant. The resilient locals have a deep connection to the land and the lake, with fishing and agriculture being vital parts of their daily lives. The area is also steeped in folklore and traditions, adding a rich cultural layer to the natural beauty of the region. Taal Volcano is a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet. Its beauty, power, and unique geological features make it a must-visit destination for adventurers, nature lovers, and anyone captivated by the wonders of our world. A Taal adventure should start with a boat ride around the lake, immersing you in the stunning landscape while feeling the imposing presence of this small yet powerful giant that demands respect.